what you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial of Industrial Craft 2, and we will look at the machine canning machine. And yeah, for that we need 17 item casings, one basic machine casing and one electronic circuit. And for that we need T1 energy, so that we need a bed box, for example, to give this machine energy. And we can take a look at the interface of the fluid solid canning machine. And we have a huge amount of informations here, but it's not that not that difficult. And we can see that we have on the left corner an input slot, we have on the right corner an output slot, and we have two internal tanks. And we have several modes to interact with this machine. For example, we can use tin cans on the left side and wet on the midfield to create some, for example, a filled tin can. Or we can use fuel rod, also RMT, and maybe enriched uranium and nuclear fuel to get a fuel rod with uranium. That's nice. Okay. Here we go. Just take a look at the next function. That was the function canning. The next step is train from cell into tank. Okay. So we have a water bucket on the left side, and we go up this way to this way and to this way. That means that we have created one bucket and an empty bucket, and we give our water to our internal tank. Okay, just fine. And for the next step we have fill cell from tank. I will put my bucket into the left corner, and you can see there's nothing happened, because we need to switch the tanks. Because we have on the left side a tank, we have on the left corner a bucket, and on the right corner we have our finish producing. And just click on the switch tank button, and we are able to fill in our water into our bucket. Okay, nice. Furthermore, we have the opportunity to enrich our fluids. For that we have several recipes, and we can use on the left side water with a CF powder, or we have a water and a lapis lazuli dust, and again, and or water and a biochaff to create biomass, or we have water and a stick to create hot spring water. Okay, and this we will do so that we need the drain from cell into tank. We also use again our water bucket to fill up our right side tank, and our tank is filled with 1000 millibuckets of water, and we switch these tanks and go to the mode fluid enrich, and use our CF powder to create construction foam. That is the fluid calling. Okay, so that we now have on the right side construction foam, we need to switch the tank back. It's yeah, you see it. Construction foam is now on the left side in the tank, and we need our CF sprayer, because we can fill up this construction foam with this or we can fill up the CF sprayer with construction foam, and for that we need the Modi fill cell from tank, so that you can see our CF sprayer is now filled up with construction foam. Just a right click on this and you can see construction foam is placed on the world. It's nice, and we take a look into our canning machine, and my most important tip is to follow these ways to get more information how this machine works. It's a little bit complicated, but if you understand it a little bit, it's not that complicated anymore. So I hope I helped you a lot, and yeah, thanks and bye.